Hi guys, I hope you're all keeping well and safe. Welcome to Early Years Matters TV. On this channel, we focus on everything early childhood related. And if these are the kind of videos you're looking for, what you have to do, subscribe. And not just subscribe, turn on that notification bell so that whenever a new video is being dropped on this channel, you'll be the first person to be notified. Today, I'm going to be talking about why enroll for a degree in early childhood care and education. You might have come across this channel and you're thinking of why you should enroll for a degree in early childhood care and education, or you have some certification in early childhood care and education, and you're wondering, should you go for the degree in early childhood? Don't worry. Perhaps after this video, you'll be able to make up your mind to enroll for the degree in early childhood care and education. So let me start by defining what is early childhood care and education. So early childhood care and education is the type of care and education given to children from perhaps birth to 6 or birth to 8. So it depends on the context of the country you're based in. For example, I'm based in the Republic of Ireland. So for us here, early childhood is from birth to 6. Perhaps you might be in the States, you might be based in Canada, or that early childhood is from birth to 8. So now that you know what early childhood care and education is all about, the age category, so now let's talk about the reasons why you should enroll for a degree in early childhood care and education. When you enroll for a degree in early childhood care and education, you'll be learning about holistic care and education for children from birth to 6 or birth to 8. So enrolling for the degree in early childhood care and education, you'll be learning more about how to provide holistic care and education for that age category. So now let me talk about holistic care and education. So holistic care and education is taking a total approach to early childhood care and education. So you're not focusing on one strand, you're focusing on how to provide holistic care and education. So holistic has to do with in terms of education. So I'm talking about it's taking a total approach to child development, focusing on the physical, which has to do with the young children using their fingertips, fine motor skills, which is fine motor skills, gross motor skills, which is their whole body, intellectual or cognitive has to do with the young children using their brain, their imagination, language, the young children using their non-verbal and verbal communication, emotional development, the young children being able to express their feelings, their emotion, social development, the young children being able to interact with their peers, what's going on in the community, cultural development, the young children learning about their culture, their community, where they're coming from, and the spiritual development of the child, the young child having an understanding of their identity and from their religion as well. Now see that this is broad. So when you enroll in this degree, you'll be learning about this, which usually takes about 4 years. Like in the Republic of Ireland, for most of the degree in early childhood care and education in Ireland, yes, you might be based in UK that the degree is 3 years. So for the period of 3 or 4 years, you'll be learning about how to provide holistic care and education to this group of children. Now let's talk about holistic care. Holistic care is ensuring the children's safety, nutrition, promoting their health and well-being, which is huge. But sometimes when people look at the word care, they think it only has to do with, feeding, changing of nappy. Yes, it's include care, but it's beyond that. We talked about nutrition as well, making sure that the children are fed well, their health and safety, ensuring that they are safe, the environment is conducive for the children. All of this has to do with caregiving, relations with the children. So all of this has to do with holistic care and education. So this is what you're going to be learning if you enroll for that degree in early childhood care and education. Also be learning about the role of play. As you know that play is a child's work. In early childhood, the children are playing, but at the same time that they are learning. So you'll be to the point that you'll be sick and tired of hearing about the word play. I remember when I did my degree in early childhood, everything is about play, looking about the point where, oh, it's play, early childhood is play. Yes, you'll be constantly hearing the word play because this is how children learn. So how you're going to provide play, appropriate play for the young children that will promote their health and well-being. You'd be going out on placement. Yes, You'll be engaging in professional development. This is you applying the theoretical aspect of what you'll be learning in college to real life situations. This is important because after your degree in early childhood, you'll be out there in the field, you'll be working. And it's important that you gather the theoretical aspect. So you enroll for the degree in early childhood care and education. You learn about the theoretical aspect on campus, on site, and then you go out to implement this in real life situations. You'll be working with children. Sometimes it depends on the placement. You will be placed in baby room, in toddler room, in preschool room. So you'll be learning how to look after these children, how to provide responsive care to these children, how to provide holistic education for them. Also, are just some of the reasons why you should enroll for the degree in early childhood care and education. You might have highlighted some of the reasons why you should go for the degree in early childhood. I'm going to encourage you, go for that degree. You stand a lot to contribute into the community. You're young lives. This is what early childhood is all about. Look at it as you're going to be planting that seed. You're the first point of contact that the children will come in contact with apart from their home. So you're going to be planting that seed. You're going to be building that foundation for others to build on. So I'll encourage you to enroll for that degree in early childhood care and education. And if you find this video helpful, please kindly subscribe, and not just subscribe, turn on that notification bell so that whenever a new video is being dropped on this channel, you'll be the first person to be notified. And until I come your way next time, stay safe and mind yourself for now. Bye.